Happy birthday to
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, we are going to surprise our friend, our kuya, our chef in the house. Kaya naka-ready na kami lahat, ready na yung pagkain, ready na rin yung pag-surprise, kaya let's go! Oh, bago muna ang lahat, maraming salamat sa Casa Ilustrado for this wonderful setup. Let's get into the video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Ay, wala magagawin ko.
Where's the cake? How is it gonna blow?
Wala kayong cake? Wala ka cake!
Ibabalag ko to. Ibabalag ko to.
Walang cake. Okay na yun. Cake na wala.
How was that? Para sa memories guys.
Memory.
Hi.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. What is your birthday greetings?
Happy birthday, Mike! Stay healthy. And alam ko naman na family is everything for you. So hopefully, marami ka pang birthday na hindi ko na alam kung ano.
It's okay.
Happy birthday na lang.
Yeah, thank you. Ikaw ate, what is your birthday greetings mo?
Michael, sana
Huwag ka umiyak. Umiiyak siya.
huwag kang malulungkot kasi malulungkot din kami.
Yeah.
Pero huwag kang iiyak ka. Sana magiging maayos pa rin ang lahat. Ang ating mga buhay. Although, alam mo na, meron tayong hindi mahahadlangan, di ba?
Yeah.
Basta magpakasaya lang tayo.
That's
Happy
true.
birthday!
Thank you. Ikaw ate SD, what is your birthday greetings po?
Birthday greeting.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Michael. Siguro hindi pa tayo masyadong magkakilala pero I know na you have a good heart and sana napasaya ka namin sa simpleng surprise na mga kapatid mo at mga friends para sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Yeah, thank you. guys!
Hi!
Mag-aas lang ako, what is your birthday greetings kay Kuya Mike? Okay na yan.
All the best na lang sa kanya.
Yes, yes. Thank you po. Ikaw, what is your birthday greetings, John Ray?
Hey, Michael.
Huwag kang umiyak.
Wala na tayong kasama palagi. Tayo na nakakain ito ni palagi sa tatlo.
Ay. Ay, dito naman tayo. Hi po, ask ko po kayo, ano po yung birthday greetings niyo kay Kuya Mike?
Anak, you know me. Happy birthday. Good health and happiness always, okay?
Yeah.
You know Ninang is always around for you, okay? I love you.
Yeah, thank
Happy
you.
birthday, Michael. Thank you.
Thank you. Dito naman tayo sa best friend ni Kuya Mike. Sino ka muna? What is your birthday greetings?
Happy birthday, Mike. Wish you all the best in life.
Yes. Good job. Boss! Ask kita, what is your birthday greetings kay Kuya Mike?
Happy birthday, Kuya Mike.
Thank you. Ito naman, yung pinakamaganda. Yan naman, naka-ready oh. So, what is your birthday greetings kay Kuya Mike? Yes, thank you. Ikaw po, short messages, okay? Just happy birthday.
Happy birthday kay Kuya.
Yeah, thank you. Ikaw naman, madam.
Hi, happy birthday, Kuya. God bless. More blessings.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Ate Jamie, ask kita. What is, ikaw naman, what is your birthday greetings kay Kuya Mike?
Happy birthday, Michael.
Iiyak na yan. Ano, naiiyak na siya. Okay na. Hi, ask lang po kita, what is your birthday message?
My birthday greeting. I wish you have full of love, full of strength.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's it.
So, yes, I'm happy for you. I'm proud of you. You have a brother, you have a friend that are so loving and caring.
Yes, thank you. Ikaw naman, what is your birthday greetings for Kuya Mike? Hindi ka marinig sa sigaw. Nakasan mo.
Because birthday greetings will have you recognize the things that you call out.
I see Andrea! Andrea's here! Andrea! Glad you come.
I know.
So I'm just gonna ask you, what is your birthday greetings for Kuya Mike? Come back later, okay. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna ask you, sorry. What is your birthday greetings for Kuya Mike?
Michael, happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday darating.
Yes.
At saka thank you nga pala sa pagiging mabait na kuya. Pagpatuloy mo yan, God bless you.
Yes, thank you. Say hi guys. Enjoying the food? Are you enjoying the food? You can see the texture of the noodles. What about you? Are you enjoying the food?
The sinigang would have been more sour.
Belly lang naman, right?
But I not everything.
So, getting back to you, what is your best birthday greetings for Kuya Michael?
I'm wishing Michael all the best and his birthday. This is the pre-birthday, but anyways, I wish you all the best, Michael, and many, 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 many more to come. I hope things turn out the way you want it to. And we love you.
Yes!
Yes.
That's it? Yes.
For now.
For now.
Birthday, Michael!
40th? Not yet, not yet. I forgot to nakalimutan ko pala i-video to. Yung set up. Ay! Nagsiselfie ka pala ulit. Hello! Dalhin na yan! Ay, isa pa daw. Kuya, thank you po sa beer.
Basta don't drink and drive, ha?
Yes. Napakabait po ni Kuya dahil binigyan po kami ng isang, actually dalawang case na beer. Ayan o. Kita niyo po. Thank you po sa beer.
Nanonood ko kuya. Si ano pala si ate, mabait niya. Si kuya, kasama namin yun sa bahay dati. Good yan. Mayaman yan.
Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you.
Salamat, salamat. Angelo, ano yung greetings mo sa kuya mo?
Ang greetings ko sa kapatid ko, simple lang. Stay healthy. And ingat sila dito kahit aalis ako. And sana punta na lang sila doon. And communication lang. And I hope you like my surprise. You like it? You do it?
Yung birthday surprise mo. Yes, of course. Cheers! Yes! Thank you! Wow! Another inumin mo! Hey, bibigay!
Magkasama kami sa bahay.
Ah!
ko lang sa inyo this song, okay? Everybody,
Will you come in loving me? And now there's so much more.
So dito na nga magtatapos yung vlog ko guys. I hope you guys enjoy. At nakita nyo nga na medyo emotional kasi si Angelo is magmo-move na sa US for his USRN. At doon na nga siya magwo-work for 3 years na contract. Kaya medyo nabalutan ng emosyon yung party na to. Kaya yun nga, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. So see you in my next videos guys. Bye!